Okay, student, this line is called tangent, line of tangent, which touches one point of the curve. Line of tangent give one point of the curve. This is line of tangent. So we have to find the gradient and whatever is that. So look at this line of tangent, and what is line of normal? Do you know what is the line of normal? What line of normal is perpendicular to tangent? Look at this. Perpendicular to tangent. Perpendicular means 90 degree. This line of 90 degree to tangent. This line is called line of normal. Note down in your notebook. This is normal. This is normal. Okay, now we have to find out the derivative of the line of tangent and the equation of the line of tangent as well. Okay, so the line of tangent, equation of line of tangent, I am writing over here 2 points. Number one, line of tangent equation of line of tangent. As you have studied in your previous classes, the coordinate geometry, so you know the line of equation y is equal to mx plus c. But over here, y minus y1, y minus y1 is equal to gradient x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. And one thing I should write over here, this point where these are intersecting, the point touch the curve, both are touching the curve at the same point, okay, of the curve. So this point is called x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1. So this point will be input in this equation x1 and y1. This point will be, remember, should I write over here for you? X1, this point is, I'm writing here x1 y1. Okay, now if I want to find out the equation of normal, so how can I do this? Equation of normal, that is y minus y1. Only one thing is different, is equal to, now the gradient should be reciprocal, mean gradient of equation of normal, gradient equation of line of tangent gradient was 2m. Now it should be minus 1 upon m. So we will reciprocal and change the sign. For example, equation of normal gradient, equation of tangent, the gradient of tangent is 2. So what will be the equation of normal? The gradient of equation of normal?
Minus 1 upon 2.
Minus 1 upon 2. Good. Okay. If equation of tangent gradient is negative 2 upon 3, then हेलो, -2/3 देन, ये समझा जफर? कहाँ चले गए आप?
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आई, आप वापस समझा देंगे?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ग्रेडियंट ऑफ टेंजेंट का जो इक्वेशन ऑफ जो टेंजेंट है उसमें जो ग्रेडियंट आएगा नॉर्मल में उसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा। तो मैंने जब 2 पूछा तो ये जर्सा ने बताया कि 1 -1/2। तो मैं अब आपको कह रहा हूँ कि -1/2 वो हो गया। तो अगर मैं आपको -2/3 ग्रेडियंट दे दूं तो क्या होगा?
3/2।
वेरी गुड, 3/2। साइन भी चेंज हो जाएगा एंड देन इट विल बी रेसिप्रोकल। ओके, तो यहाँ पे होगा x - x1। Okay, student, these are two equation you will be using for your reference. Now I am giving the questions to you. Okay. Okay, now we are starting. Okay. Just I am going to rub. Keep in your mind the equation of normal and tangent. Now I am going to give you one question. So this should be very important that you should know that what you are going to do basically. So I'm going to give you one question. Find the equation of tangent. Okay, students. Find the equation of tangent and the normal to the curve y is equal to 3x square minus x plus 8/x at the point where x is equal to 2. Okay, students. Now, are you ready for this? Should I do this question for you, or you will do in your notebook? Hello? Can you do it, or should I do for you first? Are you there? Jarsa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, should I do first question for you, or you will do by yourself?
सर पहला वाला आप कर दें.
All right. Okay. Now find the equation of normal. So, what is the first step that I have to follow? What is the first step? We need derivative.
Derivative.
We need the gradient. Definitely, we need m. So we will find the derivative of this. Okay. Now tell me what is the derivative of this? 3x square. It should be 6x -1. Okay. My negative x greater than -1. Okay. This is 8/x. What is the derivative of 8/x? Separately, if I find 8/x, can I write 8/x like this? Can I write 8/x like this? 8x power -1. Okay. So what is the gradient of this? -8x -2. Okay. Are you getting? And now
Yes, sir.
now I can write my negative 8 upon x power 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Negative
Yes.
8 upon x power 2. Okay, now I input here. Okay, negative 8 upon x square. Done. Okay, now this is the gradient. Now they are saying 8x is equal to 2. So what should I do now?
Substitute x.
This is removed. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. I again share the screen with you. Can you continue till the time I open the board?
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. Negative 8 upon. Okay, now it has come. I'm back now. I'm sharing. Okay, negative 8 upon x square. Okay, students. It's again stuck somewhere. Okay, student, continue and tell me the derivative. Substitute the value of x in the derivative. Okay, substitute the value in the given derivative. So what is the value of, when you substitute it, what is the derivative?
Sir, 9.
9. Very good. When you substitute, the answer will be negative. Okay. Now the derivative is dy by dx is equal to 9. Derivative is 9. Okay. Okay. Derivative is 9. Now what we will do? Derivative is 9. So how can we find the equation of tangent? So for the tangent, but we don't know, we know x, but we don't know y. Do you know? We know x, the value of x, but we don't know y. So what we will do first? Hello? Hello, student?
Substitute x in the equation.
Yes. So derivative is gradient is 9, but you can do this in the beginning as well, in the beginning of the question or at the end of the question. After that, it's up to you. So first we need also y, because x is given in the question, x is equal to 2. So in this equation, if you substitute x into 2, so you will find the y also, because in equation you have to substitute x and y both. So plus, sorry, instead of x you have to write 2 plus 8 upon 2. Use your calculator and tell me what is y. 2 4s are 8, negative 2, 4 3 are 12, and then I think y will be 14. Y will be 14, inshallah. Okay. Now
Sir, I
we
can't
have,
see the screen.
Okay, now I will share it with you. Okay, y is equal to 14. We will substitute the value of x. Now y is 14. Now we have coordinate. We have coordinate 2 comma 14. Okay, we have 2 comma 14, and now we will be applying in an equation of tangent. Okay, student, tangent, equation of tangent, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to gradient x minus x1. Okay, now substitute all values here. Okay, student, y minus, what is y1? Student, this is our x1 and y1. Okay, remember, this is, I told you earlier, this is x1, y1. So we will substitute these values here. Y1. What is y1? 14. Be careful, negative sign is there. If this is negative 14, so it will be positive 14 here. Okay, is equal to, what is gradient? Gradient is 9.
9.
And x, you will substitute x and y same, but the input only x1 and y1. So what is the value of x1? 2. Okay. The next equation, y minus 14 is equal to, now you just simplify this, 9x minus 18. So as you know, we used to find the equation y is equal to, in the coordinate geometry, the y is equal to 9x minus 18 plus 14. Y is equal to 9x 9 minus 14 plus 14 minus 18 plus 14 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. This is our answer for equation of tangent. Okay. Now what is the equation of normal? I hope you can do now. Normal equation, y is equal to y minus y1 negative 1 upon m. Now just we substitute the values, x minus x1. Now y minus the same, y1 14. Only the gradient will be different. Like, okay, is equal to, now it was negative 1 upon 2. Gradient was 2. Okay, now here the gradient is, sorry, gradient is 9. So what will be? Minus 1 upon 9 in bracket x minus x1, so that is 2. Okay, next step. Can I multiply 9 to this one? 9y minus 9 multiplied by 14, how much?
126.
126. Okay, is equal to negative x plus 2. Next step. Next step. Can I write my equation like this? 9y plus x is equal to 2 plus 128 or plus 126. So it should be 128. Okay. So this is our answer. Hope student you got this concept, normal and tangent, the equation of normal and tangent. Are you
Yes, sir.
getting? Okay. Now
Yes.
I'm okay. Now student, equation of normal. Now one important thing, we have to find equation of tangent, and important thing is there is something different but related to this equation of tangent and normal. Now you understand. Now I will give you, should I give you the question like this, or should I continue with the same concept but few things are including. All questions will be done like this: normal and tangent. First find the gradient, then input the value of x will be given, then y, find y as well, where the point is x, find y, now find tangent and normal. So should I give you another? Have you done? So should I give you another question now? Another sort of question
Yes, sir.
where coordinate geometry concept involved. Okay. Okay. Should I write the? Should I tell? Okay. Start writing this question now. The normal to the curve. The normal to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 1 at the point 2 comma 5 intersect y axis point P. Find the coordinates of P. Okay, this one you have to do. Can you tell me what is the method to apply over here? Yes, Hamza Zafar.
So first we will differentiate the equation, then we input x equals to 0 in the equation, then find the gradient, and then after that we find the coordinates of P.
Okay, start doing this question now. Reach till the gradient of find the gradient, find the gradient, find the value of y. Reach till there, then we will start. Hope Jarsa, you also understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza Zafar, done?
No, sir, doing.
Yes, Jalsa, have you done? What is the gradient? What is the gradient? Okay, first of all, please tell me your steps till what step you have done so that I can continue. The normal to the curve, it point this intersect y-axis at point P. Yes, students, 8.2, 5. Hurry up. Just consider like this. Just consider like this. This is, for example, tangent, and this is normal. And we have given this coordinates of this. We have the coordinates of this uh, tangent where the tangent intersects the point on 2 comma 5. Okay, and then this curve is also, this normal is also intersecting y-axis at P. Y-axis at P. So student, this normal equation, this normal equation is intersecting P. Look at this. The normal to the curve intersect the y-axis at P. So this is, for example, y-axis. So over here the point is P. And you know the coordinates of y-axis where point intersect y-axis. At y-axis x is 0 and y will remain same. Yes, Hamza Zafar, what is the gradient you have found? What is the derivative you have found?
So derivative is 3x square minus 2.
I'm asking in terms of not in terms of x. Okay, first you write 3x
It's
square,
10 then.
3x square minus 2. You did this and then you substitute the value of x to find the gradient. So what did you substitute here? 2. Did you
Yes,
do the same? Okay, minus 2. No, what is your gradient? Tell me.
10. Sir, won't it be 3x square minus 2, not x?
3x square minus 2, because there is no power on will be 2 after gradient, because is power 1. 1 minus 1 0. The power of x is 1. So 1 minus 1 0. That is why I have not written 2 x. Okay. Okay, student have not joined the class. I'm sending you link again. Okay, student, hurry up. After this, what did you do? Did you find y? Jalsa, I wanted from you. Please tell me, did you find y? Yes, Jalsa, did you find y? Hamza Zafar, what is y?
Sir, why the question given है?
No, the point. You have to find only y. Did you find it?
Sir, I'm getting 10x minus 15.
Final answer. 10x minus 15 is your final answer? We have to find the coordinates of the point P. Hurry up. Now intersect the y-axis at P. We have to find the coordinates of P. So what we will do? First of all, we will find the equation of normal. Hello, student. First, we find the equation of normal. Do we need to find y? Already the 2, 5 are given to us. Do we need to find? Hello? Gradient is 10. So find the
Yes.
equation of normal. Okay, what is the equation of normal now? Y minus y1 negative 1 upon m equation x minus x1. Now substitute y minus, what is the coordinate of y? 2, 5. Remember, this is the coordinate x1 and y1. So what we will do, we will input here y minus y1. What is y1? 5. is equal to negative 1 upon, what is gradient 10? I hope you did the same. Minus what is x1? 2. Sir, what was your equation? Okay, 10y. 10y. Tell me 10y. 10y plus x is equal to minus 2 plus 50, so it is 52. So student, this is equation of normal. So do you know equation of normal is intersecting y-axis? Are you getting my point? This is equation of normal, and this is intersecting y-axis at P, and that coordinate is y-axis is on y-axis. Y is, you know, over here. I'm going to find out the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P are 0 comma y. Okay, so now we have to find out y so that I can find the coordinates of P. 0 I already know because on y-axis, x is 0. So input x is equal to 0 to find the coordinates of P. So in this equation, so dear student, in this equation substitute x0, 10y plus 0 is equal to 52. So 10y, y is equal to 52 upon 10. 52 upon 10. So 5.2. 5.2. So what are the coordinates of P? What is my answer? My answer is that I had to find, that is 0 comma 5.2. 0 comma 5.2. This is my final answer. Hope you got this concept, students.
Yes, sir.
Did you find this answer?
जी सर बस इक्वेशन में थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई थी.
Okay. Now what is the concept of parallel line? What is the concept of parallel line that we used to do in previous classes? Parallel line. For example, if I give you any other equation which is parallel to the, so the same thing is, concept is that what we do if one equation is parallel to other. Okay, I'm writing here parallel equation. Parallel equations having same gradient, have same gradient. Parallel equations have same gradient. So this is the only concept. So for example, if I give you one equation, y is equal to, for example, if I give you y is equal to minus x plus 8. Okay, now tangent is parallel to this. Okay, for example, tangent is parallel to this. Okay, parallel to this. So student, you don't need to find gradient from the derivative formula. you will find is what is the gradient over here? Tell me. We will find the gradient from this equation. The tangent is parallel to this equation, so we will have the gradient from this. Okay, student, do you know the equation of coordinate general form of linear equation? From this linear equation, we will find gradient from here. So what is the gradient from this equation?
-1.
-1.
-1.
-1. Good. So now I'm giving you one equation, one question. So you will it has the same concept. So write the question for you. Then you will have in 5 minutes, student. You will have to answer me. Okay. Parallel equation. And the same way, if the tangent is perpendicular to this equation, so this will be reciprocal. Where perpendicular means this will be reciprocal. Okay. Abdurrahman, I hope you are getting the concept.
Yes.
All right. So now write this one question for you. The tangent to the curve. The tangent to the curve. The tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x square. Y is equal to 3x square minus 10x minus 8. Minus 10 at the point P. At the point P is parallel to the line. Is parallel to the line y is equal to 2x minus 5. Find the equation of the tangent at P. Find the equation of the tangent at P. Now, student, you have 10 minutes maximum to do this question. Only 10 minutes to do this question. As soon as you do before 10 minutes or in 5 minutes, so you kindly inform that I have done.